Good morning, everybody. It's a chilly one last night. I think it got down in the 20s. Like, I woke up this morning. It was definitely colder than yesterday morning. Because I woke up this morning, tent completely froze. And my water wasn't completely froze, but it was real slushy like. So it definitely got below like 30 degrees for a long period of time last night, or below 32 degrees for a long period of time. But yeah, I'm all packed up, I'm ready to go, and we got a long day today. Well, I'm going to try to. We got about 64 miles to a warm shower host. It's going to be my first time staying with a warm shower host because they never answer me back. But this time they did, which is awesome. Now we just got to make it there. So this next stretch coming up, it's just a pain in the butt camping wise, without having to pay 30-40 bucks just to camp. So if we can make it there, it's going to be a huge help, because as y'all know, I don't have much money, but I'm still doing this because I'm raising money for the AT communities, and it just keeps going up and up and up. So I don't want to stop this when I'm doing so much good for people in need. But thankfully, here in a couple of days, I should get a little bit of money from Facebook, so that'd be nice. But realistically, right now, I only have like 200 bucks. So we just gotta keep doing this as cheap as we possibly can and just keep making our way. And thankful for the free places to camp like this. Because thankfully, thanks to these lock houses and stuff, I haven't had to pay to camp yet, which saves a ton of money. Because think about it, if you're having to pay to camp even 2 or 3 times a week, that's $20 to $50 around here 2 or 3 times a week. Looks like that place burnt down. Sad. Yeah, we're on a road for a few minutes. Well, I don't know how long. Yeah, 60-some miles to do today. Hopefully we can make it. 8:40. About 5 miles in. Just having to take it slow this morning because it's cold as shit. And yeah, you get going too fast, it just, that wind you make on yourself, or the wind chill, just gets a little chill. So I'm only going like 9-10 mile an hour, just barely cruising. so sure what town this is, but we're coming up on the outskirts of Syracuse. About 12:16. Just stopped here at Green Lake State Park. So I didn't go into the park, but there was a bench right there. So just sit down there and ate something, and got a bunch of water in me. Now we're heading on. We got about 39 miles left. This is why I took a break. So far it hasn't been bad. A lot of intersections though. And just two cars just about wrecked in the intersection right in front of me. Like it was close. Definitely gotta pay attention, because they damn sure ain't paying attention to you. Yeah. It's the first time we've not been in a protected or separate bike lane since we've been in Syracuse. But don't seem like that big of a busy of a street. It's all beat up with glass and shit though, so I gotta watch what I'm doing. Making our way out Syracuse. Right down there is where I just was. That was a good little climb up here. It's beautiful though. mostly like single track ever since finally got out of Syracuse. After I had to climb up that thing and got that amazing view. But I think we got about 15 miles or so left. Pretty sure that's the last town we go through, or the town I'm camping in. We've gone 62.7. I think it's going to be a little more than 65 miles, because I know I'm more than like 3 miles from that town. But yeah, we're getting there. I'm tired though. No, I'm just barely going. We're pedaling and getting there.